Detecting bullish engulfing candles in Pine Script is easy, but it does require several steps. The first step is to check if the previous bar closed bearish. Then we need to check if the current bar closed greater than the previous bar's open. We don't want gaps to be detected as bullish engulfing candles, so we need to add a couple more checks here. The next check is that the current bar's open is less than the previous bar's opening price. And then we need to check if the current bar's opening price opened lower than or equal to the previous bar's closing price. And then finally, we need to check if the current bar's opening price is greater than the previous bar's low. Open greater than previous low. Now, if I save my code, this plot shape function should be drawing green arrows beneath any candle that is a bullish engulfing candle. Now, most traders want to detect bullish engulfing candles and bearish engulfing candles at swing lows and swing highs. So if you want to add one more check on here, we can check, is the current bar's low equal to the lowest low over the past X amount of bars? Or is the previous bar's low equal to the lowest low over X amount of bars?